I taught one more portion, a more topic, that is density of unit cell. So what is the mean of this density? Let's see. Density, density will give you whether your object is heavier or lighter. So earlier you people have seen that density means in class 11th or in your earlier classes, you know that density equals to mass upon volume. So you have to find out the density of unit cell. If we have unit cell, that is a cubic unit cell, whether it may be simple cubic cell or face centered cubic cell or body centered cubic cell, we have to see what is its density, total density, that हल्की है कि भारी है, that density you have to find out. So you know that the formula is mass upon volume. So let's see how you will calculate the mass. Let's see the mass first. To know the mass of the cube, so it is not actually the mass of cube. It is the mass of the particles which are present in the cube. They may be present at the edges, they may be present inside the body, they may be present in different planes. So the mass of the cube, that is actually the mass of the atom. Now you know that mass of the atom, actually atom is very smallest or the fine particle, and it is very difficult to find out the mass. One can say that, madam, we have the knowledge of atomic masses or atomic weights. Suppose talk about sodium atom, suppose talk about one crystal, that is NaCl, sodium chloride. So one of the constituent is sodium. So if we want to know the atomic weight of sodium, we know that it is 23 gram. But that this 23 gram is not the weight of this single particle. Particle is very smallest particle, not in milligrams or not in any micrograms, उससे भी बहुत कम है. So how this 23 grams come? This 23 gram is actually the masses of 10 raised to power 22 into 10 raised to power 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 particles. इन particles का weight है 23 gram. Got it? 23 gram is not the weight of single particle. It is actually the weight of total 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 particles. And again, children, it is somewhat difficult to tell this bigger number. So we call this as Avogadro number. This is called Avogadro number and it can be represented by Na. This is Avogadro number Na. Okay. And this is what? Molar mass. That can be represented by mm. Capital M. This is capital M, small m. So in the same way 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 particles का weight 23 gram है. तो one particle का weight कितना होगा? 23 divided by 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. Or that is gram. Or we can simplify it by putting mm divided by Na. So this is what? This is actually the mass of an atom. Okay. तो ये आ गया आपका mass has come. Let's find out the volume. To know the volume of cube, actually the volume of cube is what? Its length into breadth into height. Clear? If all are taking in centimeter, suppose this is A centimeter or this is B or this is C. So here in case of Q, A is equals to B is equals to C. But actually children, this is not possible, or can say this is not true in all the cases. If you take any monoclinic or hexagonal unit cell, this is not necessary that A should be equal to B or B is equals to C, but we have to study only cube. So here all the three edges must be equal to each other. So in this case all the edges are same, so we can say A equals to A equals to A. That can be written as A3. Okay. So here volume is volume of unit cell is taken A cube. Again come density, रो से शो करते हैं, density mass upon volume. Just I told you mass is what? Mass is molar mass divided by Avogadro number. And volume. This is volume is A cube. Now why I have put this blank space? Actually children, in the starting I told you we have to find out the density of whether simple cubic cell or face centered cubic cell or body centered cubic cell. So in this case the total number of atom may be vary. सिंपल क्यूबिक सेल होगा तो इसके लिए रैंक या टोटल नंबर ऑफ एटम 1 होगा. फेस सेंटर्ड होगा तो टोटल नंबर 4 होगा. बॉडी सेंटर्ड होगा तो टोटल नंबर 2 होगा. तो फॉर दिस, क्योंकि ये तो एक एटम के लिए है, यदि आपके पास फेस सेंटर्ड है तो दैट यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय 4. So this is Z into mm, this is m, small m, divided by Na. So this will be the formula to calculate the density of a unit cell. Now see, it will help you to find so many things. पहली बात तो density निकालने के लिए. Secondly, it can be asked to find out the measurement of edges. Sometimes it is used to find out कि उस constituent atom का molar mass कितना है. ये तो एक fixed value है, that cannot be asked now. Thirdly, जो कि मैंने एक example से पूछा था, आपसे कुछ नहीं पूछेंगे, आपसे सिर्फ नेचर पूछ लेंगे. आपसे पूछेंगे कि ये जो यूनिक सेल है ये किस टाइप की नेचर है, इसका क्या नेचर है. दे विल नॉट आस्क यू अबाउट एनी न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू. they can tell you or they ask you about the nature. So to find out the nature आपको Z निकालना है. If Z comes 4, it means which type of cubic cell is face centered. If Z comes 2, it means the type of cell is body centered. If Z come 1, it means type of cell is simple cubic cell. So many information we can get from this formula, and this comes in your exam. So that is all about the formula to find out the density of a unit cell. Okay, so that's all about the portion, and I will give you one question. So you will solve and find out the value of Z here. Okay. Thank you.